Welcome to Vision Academy, Daily Current Affairs in English. Date May 3rd, 2021. Let's start with international news. 4 astronauts returned from space station aboard SpaceX capsule. 4 astronauts returned safely to India from the International Space Station early on May 2nd in the SpaceX Crew Dragon capsule, parachuting to splashdown in the Gulf of Mexico. The return marked the end of the first crew rotation mission to the station by Crew Dragon spacecraft developed in the partnership between NASA and Elon Musk rocket company SpaceX. NASA's Michael Hopin, Victor Glover, and Shannon Walker, Japan's Soiki Nobuki, had launched from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida on November 15th, propelled by the SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. National news. Digital Summit 2021. Britain Prime Minister Boris Johnson and Prime Minister Narendra Modi met via video conference. This digital summit named Comprehensive Development Plan 2030. The development plan was allotted for 10 years. Prashant Kishore retires from election management. Even as Trinamool Congress managed a smooth victory in Bengal, the man behind the party's success, poll strategist Prashant Kishore, on May 2nd announced his retirement from election management. Kishore has worked as an election strategist for BJP, INC, AAP, AITC, YSRCP and DMK. His first major political campaign was in 2011 to help Narendra Modi, then Chief Minister of Gujarat, to get re-elected to the CM office for the third time in the Gujarat Assembly election 2012. DMK chief MK Stalin announced on 3rd February 2020 that Kishore was signed up as a party strategist for the upcoming election 2021 Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly election. As a result, DMK wins the election with 158 plus seats, and the MK Stalin became the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu for the first time. S. Jaishankar sets for G7 ministers meeting in UK. The UK is hosting G7 foreign minister meeting in 2 years in London from May 3rd to 5th. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar will on May 3rd begin a 4-day visit to the United Kingdom to participate in the G7 foreign minister meeting and to hold a bilateral meeting with the British interlocutors India, Australia, South Korea, South Africa, and the Chair and Secretary General of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations have been invited as a guest. Puducherry Governor inaugurated cheap price meals scheme. Puducherry government initiated cheap cost food at ₹5 at government store as well as dispatching face mask at ₹1, 50 ml sanitizer at ₹10. It is undoubtedly helps poor people. Assam election result 2021. Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal won Majuli constituency, the BJP-led National Democratic Alliance. This coalition party called Mitra Jot or Alliance of Friends is set to form the government in Assam for the second consecutive time. As a ruling alliance, according to the latest trend, is likely to win 74 seats out of 126 assembly seats. Kerala election result 2021. The CPI Marxist and led LPF has won 99 out of 140 seats. The Left Democratic Front led by Chief Minister Pranay Vijayan won the election, while Congress-headed UDF opposition won 41 constituencies. The BJP-led NDA has drawn a blank. West Bengal election result 2021. Mamta takes Trinamool Congress to historic victory but loses her own seat. The Trinamool Congress, led by country's only woman Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee, retained power in West Bengal for the third time, winning 214 seats out of 292 seats. The Chief Minister herself loses to BJP leader Suvendu Adhikari in Nandigram constituency. Tamil Nadu news. Tamil Nadu election result 2020. The DMK has contested alliance with Congress, CPI Marxist, CPI and Vidudalai Sirthai Katchi. While the DMK has won 133 seats, it allies Congress won 18, CPI 2, CPIM 2 and VCK 4. The DMK is returning to power after 10 years. The AIADMK has won 66 seats, the BJP won 4 seats and the Patali Makkal Katchi won 5 seats. Appointments. Vaishali, he was appointed as the first woman officer commanding in BRO, the Border Road Organization in India, on April 28, 2021, announced that Vaishali S. Hivas will become the first woman officer to be appointed as officer commanding in the Border Road Organization. Vaishali Hivas will be responsible for providing connectivity through an Indo-China border road, said BRO in India. T. Ravi Shankar takes over as new RBI Deputy Governor. T. Ravi Shankar on Monday took over as a new Deputy Governor on the Reserve Bank of India for the period of 3 years. Shankar has filled the vacancy created after the retirement of P.P. Kanu on April 2nd. The 3 other Deputy Governors are Michael D. Patra, who heads all important monetary policy department, Mukesh Kumar Jain, the commercial banker turned central banker, the Rajeshwar Rao. Apart that, Shankar was a executive director of Reserve Bank of India before being elevated to the post of Deputy Governor. Important days. World Laughter Day 2021. World Laughter Day is celebrated every year on the first Sunday of May month to raise awareness about laughter and its many healing benefits. More than 70 countries around the world celebrate World Laughter Day on the first day of May. World Press Freedom Day 2021. It was in the year 1993 when the United Nations General Assembly declared May 3 as a World Press Freedom Day. This declaration came after a recommendation made in 1991 at the 26th General Conference session of UNESCO. The theme of the day in 2021 is Information as a Public Good. Expected questions. Question number 1. Who has been appointed as the first commanding officer of the Indian Border Road Organization? Option A. Preeti Pal Kaur. Option B. Neeru Kark. Option C. Vaishali Hivas. Option D. Swati Patria. Answer: Vaishali Hivas. Question number 2. Who initiated cheap cost food program in Puducherry? Option A. Narayanasamy. Option B. Tamilisai Soundararajan. Option C. Arvind Kejriwal. Option D. Panvarilal Purohit. Answer: Tamilisai Soundararajan. Question number 3. By which spacecraft did 4 astronauts return to Earth from the International Space Station? Option A. Soyuz. Option B. Starliner. Option C. Shenzhou. Option D. Dragon. Answer: Dragon. Question number 4. When was the World Laughter Day celebrated in 2021 year? Option A. May 2nd. Option B. May 5th. Option C. May 3rd. Option D. May 7th. Answer: May 2nd. Question number 5. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to attend a video conference with the Prime Minister of which country? Option A. Britain. Option B. America. Option C. China. Option D. Russia. Answer: Britain. Question number 6. Where is the G7 Foreign Ministers meeting to be held? Option A. Rome. Option B. London. Option C. Tokyo. Option D. Moscow. Answer: London. Question number 7. Who is the retiring Deputy Governor of the RBI, Reserve Bank of India? Option A. Ravi Shankar. Option B. B.P. Kanungo. Option C. John Nicholas. Option D. Prashant Kishore. Answer: B.P. Kanungo. How much time as DMK party is set to rule as Tamil Nadu? Option A 3rd, option B 7th, option C 5th, option D 6th. Answer: 6th. Question number 9. Who is going to take over the Chief Minister of Kerala? Option A Mamata Banerjee, option B Pinarayi Vijayan, option C Sarbananda Sonowal, option D M.K. Stalin. Answer: Pinarayi Vijayan. Question number 10. Information as a public good was a theme of which day? Option A, Labor Day. Option B, World Laughter Day. Option C, World Press Freedom Day. Option D, World Yoga Day. Answer, World Press Freedom Day. Question number 11. Who is the election strategist going to withdraw from the election management? Option A, Ravi Shankar. Option B, Prashant Kishore. Option C, BP Kanungo. Option D, Rohit Sadana. Answer, Prashant Kishore. For more current affair updates, subscribe to Vision Academy YouTube channel. For the regular notification, press the bell icon without fail. Thank you.